In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a reminder in ClickUp. Reminders are a simple way to make sure important tasks don't slip through the cracks. They work alongside due dates, giving you a personal nudge at the right moment so you can follow up, review progress, or take action without constantly checking your task list. Start by heading into your ClickUp workspace. This is the home base for your projects, views, and tasks. Make sure you're in the correct space or folder where the task lives so you can find it quickly. If you use multiple views like List, Board, or Calendar, any of them will work. Use whichever layout helps you locate the task most easily. Find the task you want to be reminded about. Hover over it or open it and look for the three-dot icon, sometimes labeled More Actions. Depending on your view, this icon can appear next to the task name or in the top corner of the task window. It's essentially the menu for extra options that aren't shown by default. If you don't see it right away, try opening the task fully. The icon should be visible near the top. From that menu, choose Remind Me. This tells ClickUp you want a personal notification tied to this specific task. It won't change the task due date or affect anyone else's workflow. It just schedules a heads up for you so you can act at the right time. When the reminder panel appears, set your date. Use the date picker to choose when you want to be notified. If a time field is available, pick the exact time that fits your schedule, like first thing in the morning or right before a planned handoff. Aim for a moment when you'll actually be ready to do the work. Reminders are most useful when they align with your real availability. If your task already has a due date, consider setting the reminder a little earlier to give yourself time to prepare. Also, keep your time zone in mind so the reminder fires when you expect it to. That's all it takes. Once the date is set, your reminder is scheduled. You'll get the notification in ClickUp and possibly through your usual notification channels based on your personal settings. A quick recap. Go to your workspace, open the task's three-dot menu, choose Remind Me, and set the date that works best for you. With this in place, you can rely on ClickUp to prompt you at the right moment and stay confidently on top of your priorities.